हेमंतर संध्यार प्रथम स्पर्शरे सेंट जोसेफ कन्वेंट हायर सेकेंडरी विद्यालय छात्र छात्री मानक द्वारा प्रस्तुत चित्ताकर्षक कार्यक्रम को आपण मानक हृदयर सह स्वागत जनाऊछु। आम जीवनर उत्साह और उद्दीपना आपण मानकर उपस्थिति ही ताहा जणै दउछि। आपण माने निश्चित भाव आमको आम विद्यालय को आमर छात्र छात्री मानंको बहु भावरे उत्साहित करिसंती आपण मानकर उपस्थिति द्वारा। सेथिपई आपण मानंको बहु बहुत धन्यवाद। आशा करुछु आम मानकर छात्र छात्री मानक द्वारा प्रस्तुत एई रंगारंग कार्यक्रम आपण मानको निश्चय आनंद प्रदान करिवो। तेणु आसंतो आपण मानकर सेई उत्साह और उद्दीपना सह आरंभ करुछु आम मानकर कार्यक्रम।
सुस्वागतम। आप लोगों के आने की खुशियों से गुलजार ये वातावरण, ढलता हुआ दिन, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता एक सुरमई शाम का आगमन, सेंट जोसेफ विद्यालय के वार्षिक सांस्कृतिक समारोह का ये ऐतिहासिक पल में शामिल होने का सौभाग्य किसी जादू से कम नहीं। जादूगर तो नहीं हम, मगर जिंदगी के लम्हों में जरा सा जादू भरते हैं। आज के संगीतमय अभिनय के जश्नी महफिल में मिलते मिलाते हंसते हंसते थोड़ी सी जिंदगी भरते हैं। पल दो पल ही भले, खुशियाँ मिली, बस यही कोशिश है हमारी। आज इस अविस्मरणीय पल में देवियों और सज्जनों, हम आप सबका हार्दिक अभिनंदन व स्वागत करते हैं।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a proud moment to have you all amongst us in this scintillating evening of our annual fest, which is themed Earth's Pulse, Inspiring Waves of Renewal. On behalf of our principal, Sister Navya, and the entire Josephite family, I take the privilege to welcome our distinguished chief guest for the evening, Shri Himanshu Kumar Lal, Inspector General of Police, Northern Range, Sambalpur, who will be joining us in a short while. Our esteemed guest of honor, Sir Saroj Kumar Samal, Superintendent of Police, Vigilance, Dr. Pushpanjali Panda, Sub-Collector cum Divisional Magistrate, and Shri Ashish Kumar Sahu, Joint Commissioner CT and GST, Odisha Finance Service, venerated dignitaries, reverend fathers and sisters, valued parents, cherished guests, and prominent members of the media, to today's evening in this premises of St. Joseph's Convent High Secondary School. Earth's Pulse, Inspiring Waves of Renewal, resonates deeply with the realities of today's world, a planet facing challenges from environmental degradation to climatic change. Yet, this theme calls us not just to witness these issues, but to become active participants in healing and renewing the earth. At our school, we are committed to make this renewal more than just a concept. We live it through our various initiatives and activities. We recognize that our actions today impact tomorrow. And so, we strive to empower students to be agents of change in restoring our planet's health. By connecting to Earth's pulse, our school stands as a beacon of hope and resilience, demonstrating the renewal is possible through awareness, education, and action. Together, as a community, we are inspired to move with the Earth's pulse, creating waves of change that ripples beyond our school and into the world. So sit back and enjoy, because this is going to be one of the most amazing experiences of your life. Your distinguished presence to witness our annual fest 2024 will definitely encourage our students to give their best.
Namaste. It's a great privilege to introduce to you our distinguished guest of honor, Shri Saroj Kumar Samal, OPS 1, a leader in law enforcement whose career exemplifies dedication, integrity, and service to the public. Born in 1967, Shri Samal completed his education with a Bachelor of Science and a Bachelor of Laws degree. His professional journey has been marked by a commitment to justice and public service. Presently, he serves as the Superintendent of Police, Vigilance, Sambalpur, where he oversees critical initiatives to uphold accountability and transparency in governance. In addition to his professional achievements, Shri Samal is known for his love for cricket and his deep appreciation for classical Hindi and Oriya songs. Beyond his professional and personal interests, he is driven by a commitment to support those in need, particularly in matters of medical assistance, a reflection of his compassionate approach to serving the community. Shri Samal's exemplary service has earned him several prestigious honors. In 2015, he was awarded the DGP's Disc, followed by the President's Police Medal for meritorious service in 2018. And in 2019, he received the Governor's Medal, recognizing his integrity, honesty, and dedication to his work. Thank you so much for your time and support for today's Earth Pulse 2024. Please be seated warmly to enjoy the program. We'll be very honored if we could felicitate you, sir. To have you with us fills us with joy. It's a mark of respect and gratitude that we have towards you with this formal felicitation. I request our principal, Sister Navia, Sister Preeti, to accompany you to the stage for felicitation. The school offers you a stole, which is a traditional gesture of respect and appreciation. The saplings symbolize growth, resilience, and collective dedication. May you be blessed forever, sir. A huge round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. Please be seated.
Good evening, dear parents. We are highly excited to welcome you all to our gala annual concert. On this warm evening, it is wonderful to have you all gathered here, bringing so much joy and warmth to this space. This year, our concert is dedicated to Pulse of the Earth, inspiring waves of renewal. We are proud to present before you an evening of talent, from our talented singers and musicians to our graceful dancers and spirited performers. As you watch, feel free to clap along, cheer, and show your appreciation. We hope to see your minds and spirits elevated and immersed in the beauty of each performance.
चारों तरफ हो खुशियों की लहर, हर तरफ चलता गुणगान रहे। संस्कृति की धारा बहती है यहाँ, कला की बातें होती हैं यहाँ। संगीत के लय से झूमता है मन, नृत्य की ताल से घूमता है तन। सुस्वागतम सेंट जोसेफ कॉन्वेंट स्कूल के वार्षिक उत्सव के रंगारंग सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम से सजी ये हसीन शाम। देवियों और सज्जनों, ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे विद्यालय में 4 चांद लग गए हैं, क्योंकि आपके कदम हमारे विद्यालय में पड़ गए हैं। सुस्वागतम आप सभी का।
The lamp, a symbol of knowledge, wisdom, and enlightenment, dispels the darkness of ignorance. It signifies the journey of learning and wisdom of enlightenment. It's a tradition in our school to invoke God's blessings by lighting the lamp. I now invite Sri Saroj Kumar Samal, Sister Navya, Sister Namita, Sister Preeti, and Sister Deepika to light the lamp.